So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on the Hardware tab. And then you want to click on Device Installation Settings. And then you want to click on Yes. And then click on Save Changes. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. And then you want to find your headphones. You want to right click on it and then click on Properties. And then click on the Driver tab. And if it allows you to roll back your driver, you want to click on it. And then you want to roll back your driver. But it's most likely going to be grayed out for you. If it is grayed out for you, you want to click on Update Driver. And then click on Search Responsive for drivers. Make sure that they have the best drivers installed for your device. And now once you've done that, you should close this out. And then on the top, you want to click on Action. And then click on Scan for hardware changes. Now for the next step, you want to head over to Search and type in Check for Updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Check for Updates and do the updates to your computer may have. Now for the next step, you want to head over to Search and type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Other Troubleshooters. And then if you're trying to connect Bluetooth headphones, next to the Bluetooth troubleshooter, you want to click on Run. And then you want to follow the steps that come up. But if you're not trying to connect Bluetooth headphones, you want to head over to Audio and then click on Run. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Yes. And then you want to run this. Now once you've done all the steps in this video, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.